Hi guys, I hope you all are well. So I thought I'll do a quick haul for this YouTube channel so that I can show you all the bits and pieces I got for my daughter's birthday party. I've not hosted a birthday party for a very long time. We kind of just stopped doing them. I don't even think we actually ever did have a birthday party. It's always been a family affair. Anyhow, so on Saturday she'll be going out with her friends to the trampoline park, and then on Sunday my parents will be here and we'll have kind of a family thing going on. But yeah, I am there's lots of bits and pieces to do. The cake, I've been meaning to make a cake. If I don't make it, worst case scenario, buy it from Sainsbury's or Aldi. I don't know, I hope it doesn't come to that, but I'm going to try and bake a cake tonight. I've got pretty much all my shopping done as well. Lots and lots of balloons. I've got to make a balloon arch. I've got the kit from Amazon. Oh, I forgot to bring that downstairs. Anyhow, I'll grab that and show you what it looks like. But anyhow, I'm going to get going and tell you the things that I bought for my daughter's birthday. I'm going to warn you, this is a super budget birthday party. So I did shop around in the Range, B&M, Poundland, Home Bargains as well, and I'm going to try and use some bits and pieces that I might already have. But anyway, so I bought these little notepads for the party bag. They're about 70p each, I think. They're on clearance in the Range. Okay, so I bought a few of them. I've got to make about 7 party bags. This is what I bought from Primark. I bought these party bags. They're about 50p each. No, they're 45p each. So I think you could have got cheaper. I should have got them from this card shop as well. I would recommend going into the malls and checking out this card shop. They're really good. But anyhow, I got these for the party bags. What else did I get for the party bag? And I got these for £1.50. These are eye masks for the girls. I've got 2 designs. Let me find the other design. They're right in front of me and I can't see them. So I've got 2 different designs. So this will go in one party bag, and this, and I'll tell you one other thing, is a lip gloss. So there's 6 in here. This was from Home Bargains, and I think it was about £4 or £5, something like that. I think it was from Home Bargains. Anyway, so a lip gloss each. I'll take them out and put them in. Okay, and that's it for the party bag. Then I'm going to fill in the rest with some sweets and biscuits and things. In terms of plates and things, I got this from Home Bargains, but they didn't have any glasses left. But these are matching. I thought these were really cute, and they were about £1 each. And so I'm going to mix. I know it doesn't quite go, but it goes. And I got this from Poundland for £1. Because I had to match that up. I bought some of these, I don't know why, but I've seen people use these as party bags as well, and I think they look quite cute. Anyway, I bought those, and I also bought this to lay out on the table on any surface or any plate or anything. I think this was about £1.50 from the Range. The Range, yes, it was from the Range. I also got this from Home Bargains. This is tablecloth. So I also got this table covers. There's 2 of them, and it's about £1 or so each from Home Bargains. And what else? Oh, I think I might be down with the lip gloss by 1 or 2, so I got one of these as well to top up. In case anyone doesn't have it. And from Poundland, I got these bubble. My daughter goes, oh mama, have you got, she's 10, right? She goes, have you got the bubble blowing sticks? And I was like, aren't you a bit old for that? She's like, no, everyone likes it. And I was like, okay, so I got one of these as well to go in the party bag. I got some paper cupcakes. They look cute, and look, they kind of go, don't they? I'm happy about that now. I didn't realise it go. What else did I get? And I got some wooden spoons. I'm trying to be, you know, environmental friendly. You know me, trying to be. I got this rainbow balloon from Home Bargains as well, and it's about £2, something like that. So there is that. And then I got lots of sweets and things to fill up and put on the table. I got these party rings, of course, spacers, oranges. I'm going to go through them really quickly. More spacers. And I got these Dammy Dodgers that I've probably eaten quite a few. Kinder Bueno, and some lollipops as well. And of course crisps and drinks, the usual. Anyway, this is what I've done so far. I'll show you the balloon that I got from the balloon set from Amazon. That was about £7 or £8. I'll switch the camera on for that. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I hope you like this haul, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment what your favourite product was and what you're looking forward to seeing, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. This is the balloon pack that I got from Amazon. You can make an arch out of it. It has about 90 or 100 balloons, and then it comes with this balloon glue. I do not know what I'm going to do, and this balloon chain thing that you stick the balloons on, where you stick them on both, and it does have this as well to help you make the knots. So yeah, but anyway, I got this.